Okay, hey guys, today we're gonna go Dairy Queen Blizzard.
Mint Oreo cookie blizzard.
Yeah, we're gonna. My friend's ordering for me. My dad's ordering for me. I'm joking with my dad. That is my. That is somebody else. Right. Ooh, Blizzard. Getting the Oreo cookie Blizzard. You can see that Oreo cookie Blizzard. I'm so excited. So I'm definitely going to sit down. We just had dinner. And we're gonna have a dessert. Well, let's see. I mean, that's good though. You know what? I'll set up here. Up on the bar. Let me see, because I'm older. I love this vibe in here. Pretty nice, honestly. Oh, seaweed. Right. Alright, time to, I'll get the Blizzard really quick and hold on. With that, we're just gonna explore. What is this? Soda machine. But no, I'm joking. I can't steal soda. Oh. Something nice for that. Ooh, it's about to fall off. It's about to fall off. Their ice cream is dead. They don't have ice cream. Oh, look at this cake. Oh my god, that looks so tasty. Dilly bars. Non-dairy dilly bars. I like those. They do fall off. Oh, your ice cream cone's about to fall off. Yeah. Hey, you. Your ice cream cone's about to fall off. Yeah. It was him. Okay, gotta run. Okay. I'm safe. He's back. Okay. Yay, my blizzard. Okay. The fleshy here. What? No. I got my blizzard. Almost got a full ball. I got my blizzard. Oh shoot. I gotta go grab a spoon. Okay. Alright guys, I have my blizzard. Time to try it. Excuse me, sir, can you hold the camera for me? Just make sure it's facing me, okay? Yeah, just face it towards me. Hey guys, okay. Trying a blizzard. Alright, I'm trying. Slow. Oh, it's so good. So good. Alright guys, I think that's the end of the video. And I'm gonna finish my blizzard and I'll make another video maybe later actually. But alright guys, bye guys.